And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
All right, so here's the bottom line. Let's cut right to the chase. If you're sick of the heat, you're going to have to contend with it for one more day. But there is relief late in the weekend. The trade-off that we go from hot temperatures to better chances for rain. So we end the weekend on what could be a rather soggy note. Today in the Springs, 94 degrees. Pueblo at 103. That just missed the mark of a new record by 1 degree. That's set back in 2016. Tonight, double sevens on the map here in Colorado Springs. Lucky numbers, yes, but awfully warm for this time of the night and even for this time of the year. Pueblo still in the lower 80s, so no real relief from the heat yet. And also very warm out to the east. Look at Lamar, 92 degrees, 82 for Eads. We have 80 on the map here in La Junta, some 70s from Canyon City south towards Rye, Walsenburg, and Trinidad. So makes sense that we choose to show the lifestyle forecast of a swimming forecast tomorrow. I would say around 2 o'clock, it's going to be probably the hottest part of the day, 95 to 97 degrees. But you want to watch for lightning, especially for areas along and just west of the interstate. And then between about 2 and 7 p.m., that's going to be our best chance for showers and storms. So just use caution out there as it won't be raining everywhere like what we typically see in the summer months, but there could be quite a bit of activity scattered about the region by tomorrow afternoon. Again, the showers in the afternoon, the heat comes first, much like what we saw today. This is a new product, the heat risk map, and areas in red, which includes the lower Arkansas River Valley down to the southeast plains. They're 3 out of 5. Also notice a little bit of red here into eastern Fremont County and parts of the Wet Mountain Valley. So these spots will be very, very hot during the day. Also poor overnight recoveries with temperatures in some of those spots hardly getting out of the lower 70s. The reason for the heat, it is the big blue H, our fair weather maker high pressure. You can see that all of the convection this evening still rotating clockwise around the high. As high moves farther north tomorrow, that's going to cause a sinking air mass over the region, at least initially, and that's going to bring some very searing temperatures into southern Colorado through the afternoon hours. Now, eventually, as the ridge continues to move out of the area, we'll get a little disturbance that moves out of the mountains, a cold front that drops in late in the afternoon, and that does bring the chance for, again, some more widespread showers than what we saw today. Notice through about the dinner hour, could be pretty wet at times, Canyon City up to the Springs, down to Pueblo County. Hopefully some of that rain actually hits Pueblo. It doesn't go around it like many folks in that region know. And then through the late evening hours, rain starts to diminish across the eastern plains. We'll see those rain chances increase as the monsoon sees an uptick in that monsoon moisture. We see it on Sunday and Monday. Better upslope flow as well for those couple of days. And as we look at the rainfall potential through next Wednesday, take a look at some of the numbers here. At least if you look at the color coding, could be quite a bit of rainfall in some spots. Now, it's not going to be region-wide into Teller County, but some areas in Teller County could see more than 1 to 2 inches of rain. Also expecting perhaps a big bullseye out across the southwestern part of the state into the San Juans and La Garritas. So tonight, not much relief. That's the key message into the southeast plains. 70s here, mid-60s around the Springs and Pueblo. Tomorrow's highs, these will be the hottest of this current stretch or current heat wave. 105 Pueblo to Lamar to La Junta, 97 in the Springs. So it'll be very hot with a chance of scattered afternoon showers and storms. And again, that record tomorrow does also stand at 97, so we could potentially tie it as we'll be about 10 degrees above average. Cooler behind the front Sunday to Monday. Another front next week. This is what I like. This is music to my ears. Drops highs to the 70s by Wednesday and Thursday. We've also got some relief for Pueblo. 105 tomorrow, but down to the low 90s Sunday to Monday. A little warmer Tuesday and then some 80s potentially by the middle of next week. Canyon City, keep the umbrellas handy. Keep an eye on the sky. Utilize that First Alert 5 weather app. We've got daily storm chances. By Sunday to Monday, their highs drop down to the high 80s. And for Woodland Park, could be a pretty wet stretch of weather here, especially Sunday to Monday, and another chance of some heavier rain by the middle of next week.